It is always a pleasure to say hi to you all at home, parents and children included. COVID-19 has given us all a reason to recollect and to think of how we do both things at home and in our daily running of life. I sure hope that you are all keeping safe and following instructions as provided by agencies and authorities. Parents, these lesson sessions are not the only thing that your children should follow. They should also follow and must also be consulting their workbooks, textbooks, exercise books, and even reading books to keep abreast of their learning and their studies, and even doing work-based research. I am Stephen Rose, your presenter for this mathematics session, hoping that the previous sessions that have been done before with all the other teachers have been fruitful, and most of you have been able to get something out of them. Don't hesitate to clarify doubts by contacting your teachers when the need arises. We are here for that. Today, our mathematics lesson will still be focusing on numbers and numerations, and our main focus today is operation signs, and in fact, it's a continuation. As stated before, we are not doing class-by-class level sessions, and as not all schools are at the same topic at the same time, though we do have a program. However, through concept progression, we are also preparing you parents to be able to better help your child at home. So let's get ready to mathematically rumble for today. Today we are going to see a subtopic which you all know about, but I want you at home to help me find the word. Now, on your screen you see some missing letters and some available letters. What do you think we are going to learn today? Have you got it, or do you need another clue? There you go. Some more letters for you to be able to solve this puzzle. Whoa, 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 it's okay, I get it. No need to shout out loud. Yes, it is multiplication. And the action of multiplication is to multiply. So, what is to multiply? In mathematics, to multiply means to add equal groups. When we multiply, the answer we get is always bigger than the two factors. Remember, when adding addends and addends, we get an increase as the answer in sum. The two factors and the product are part of a multiplication problem. An example, 4 is a factor. This is the multiplication sign, which is a symbol. And 6 is another factor. And this is the equal sign. And there we have our answer. 4 multiplied by 6 is equal to 24. In fact, another teacher was teaching nearly the same thing some time ago, and she was actually using that in problem solving. So, this can also be used as a reinforcement session for you who followed the session with the other teacher. Now, this is the answer here. 24 is the product. So, in the above, 4 and 6 are the factors, and 24 is the product. Have you got it? I'm pretty sure you have, because as it is, it's very well explained. So we continue. The multiplication vocabulary. Yes, of course, not only in English do we learn vocabulary. In mathematics, in sciences, in geography, in history, in all the sessions, in all the lessons, you learn new vocabulary. And today you're going to learn some multiplication vocabulary. Multiplication, multiply, multiplied by, multiple, groups of, lots of, times once, twice, 3 times, 10 times, repeated addition. At different levels, the vocabulary will be different. It will vary. So together, you should be able to do a bit of research and remember to use data wisely or Wi-Fi effectively. So we continue. So what about multiplying? Our first example was 6 multiplied by 4 is 24. We would have written it also in this way in equal addition. 4, add 4, add 4, add 4, add 4, add 4. And our answer would have been 24. In fact, that's what the answer should be. Now, we continue. Note that we have added 4 6 times, meaning the same amount, which is 4 6 times. It is not the same as 4 times 6, though, even if the answer is going to be the same. Because 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. Yes, but the group size being added is different. Now let us look at this into more details. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then here, now we insert the addition signs and we get the equal. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 18. So it is the same as 3 times 6 gives us 18. 3 groups of 6 equals 18. Now, what do you notice with that? 6 times 3 is 18. 3 times 6 is also 18. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 18. 6 plus 6 plus 6 is also 18. But the grouping for the calculations are different. For the smaller and younger ones, you can resort to your counters or bottle caps as you do this exercise. As I said, let's make it fun and interesting. When we multiply, we say we are finding lots of. 4 multiplied by 6 equals 4 lots of 6. 6 multiplied by 4 equals 6 lots of 4. Now, let us see. 1 lot of 6 came up. Now, 2 lots of 6 is here. 3 lots of 6 and 4 lots of 6. It equals to 24. And on the other side, 1 lot of 4, 2 lots of 4, 3 lots of 4, 4 lots of 4, 5 lots of 4, and 6 lots of 4 gives us 24. Again, see how they are placed, how the calculation is placed. So, when a sum can be done in any order, we say it is commutative. Please, children, don't panic. This word is not too big for you to learn, but as you will grow older, going to S1, S2, you are going to learn about this word, commutative. And for parents, this is another, as we say, another vocabulary in terms of their learning. Now, it doesn't matter whether you do the multiplication as 6 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 6, you get the same answer. And you can see again how it is all set in the slide here. Now let us see how much you have grasped. Which question have the same product or answers? We've got 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. We've got 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21. And we've got 6 multiplied by 5 equals 30. And now here comes the other set. 3 multiplied by 6, 7 multiplied by 3, and 5 multiplied by 6. Now, at home, you can do that, write them next to each other. But on my screen, I will be doing this one. I will be putting an arrow that will match them together. So there you go. 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18, just like 3 multiplied by 6 is equal to 18. 3 multiplied by 7 equals 21, just like 7 multiplied by 3 equals 21. And for sure, 6 multiplied by 5 equals 30, while we also say 5 multiplied by 6 is equal to 30. The following slides will show the difference in order of setting calculations for grouping in multiplication. It may sound and look confusing, but notice the answers are the same. 5 groups of 2. There we go. 5 groups of 2 on your screen. You see how the placement is. 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 10. 2 groups of 5. Okay, that's one group of 5. And now there's your next group of 5. And you see how it's set? And 2 multiplied by 5 is equal to 10. 3 groups of 4. Now that's one group of 4, 2 groups of 4, 3 groups of 4. And you see how it's set. 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. 4 groups of 3, 1 group of 3, 2 groups of 3, 3 groups of 3, and 4 groups of 3. And that's how it's set. And this is your calculation written down. 4 multiplied by 3 equals 12. Do you see the difference in the setting of those calculations? Well, if you do, very good. If you don't, you might have to go back and rewind and see how it is all set out for you. Okay, now for you at home, it's your turn to write down the following. Look carefully at the way the drawing will be coming in on your screen. Now, you see how it's been set. 7 multiplied by 2 equals 14. 3 multiplied by 5 equals 15. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. And 6 multiplied by 3 equals 18. Now, did you get it right? If yes, well done. If you got 3 out of 4, not bad. If you got 2 out of 4, some work is needed here. 1 out of 4, yes, we will need to do some more work. This is where I will say goodbye, and as always I say, keep safe. Wear your masks whenever you are going out of the house, and be conscious of other people who are working from home in the neighborhood. From me to you, it's bye-bye.